What is going on today, guys? So I am going to a new track, new to me, but since being out here in Texas, I've only been to 2 tracks. This one's a little further from my house, but I do want to check it out. I currently do not have a drift car. Soon we'll be back on the track and everything like that, but I'm setting myself some goals before I start investing money into drifting again. Once I meet those goals, that'd be the first thing before I do anything else that I want to do. Is I want to take care of myself first. But that's about the only thing that I really want to do. I have no real timeline on when those goals will be met. It could be by the end of the year, it could be sooner, it could be next year, I don't know. So for today, with that being said, we're gonna go hang out with my buddy Dan, who actually has a really awesome Corvette. He's got a Z2 that hopefully I'll be doing some work on for him because he wants some custom stuff. He just got his Corvette back, had a bunch of work done to it, and here in the next moment you'll be able to see what he's got going. So I'm gonna get my dog behind me packed up here and get her in the car, and then right now we'll be heading to the event. So what's up? We're here today. As you saw, my buddy's car. That's who we'll be hanging out with for most part today. I got my dog. This is how I walk her when I need both my hands to do stuff. Anyways, I told Dan I wanted to go walk around first before Lulu, come on. This is really difficult to have a dog and vlog at the same time. Super fucking not practical at a Lulu. Oh my God, dog. Okay. But anyways, I told him I wanted to go walk around first before we went on any ride-alongs. Just go check out some of the cars and whatnot around. So that's exactly what we're gonna do right now before we go on some ride-alongs. Got this Corvette back. He said it was a cam and a tune and what else?
Long tube headers.
Long tube headers. So we got everybody else out here on lined up in the pits. That's what it's called. I forgot for a second.
I salute you, my friend. Oh, I'm on the video. That's it. Hell yeah, brother. You ready? I'm ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let her rip, baby. Let her rip. Go, go, go.
There goes that tire. Now, I don't know if you guys can see it on camera, but his service tire monitor is on now. Look at that. Lit up, yep, lit up like a Christmas tree.
It's not a race car unless it's lit up.
Yeah, it's just your tire hitting whatever.
Must be a big piece.
Yeah, it's a big old piece of the tire. So it's like an FD style. It's got 3 points and then okay. Interesting. See if we can see carnage without having to get under. Did he pull it out already? Lolo. Lolo. Oh, you can kind of see the little rubber right there. Right there in the back. Focus. It ain't gonna focus. Oh, there it is. A little thread sticking out. Thought he blew out his tire. But what happened was it ended up taking the tread off and just wrapping around the CV axle, which is a pretty common thing with drift cars. It can be catastrophic. It also could be no big deal. I've seen it where it would tear up the axle if it's thick enough. And anyways, I've seen problems out of it. I gotta let my dog drink some water. I had to keep her in the car. Like I said, I don't know nobody here in Texas, so I'm a one-man show. So if you live in the Texas area and you like cars and cool shit and partying, hit me up. But really, I want you to watch my dog at drift events, especially when I get a drift car again. I'm gonna try to take her with me on track. I know I am, because that's the kind of person I am, but I'll probably get kicked off like I did before. But anyways, I just wanted to go out with one lap and do a little vlog on his car here, because it's really freaking cool. Very rare do I see like Corvette drift cars, or I guess personally know people who drift them. I watch obviously other YouTube videos on it. It's cool to like be in one, because it actually feels, surprisingly enough, the Corvette feels great as a drift car. The power, everything, you gotta do some modifications, like the factory angle definitely doesn't cut it, but for the most part it's pretty solid. But that's gonna end my vlog. I'm gonna go and watch the comp. I'll be posting the comp here on my shorts. So if you'll guys see this video in the future, you'll see the shorts beforehand. But I'm gonna go ahead and get out of here. We're just gonna hang out for the day now, because I know my dog, I don't know if you guys see her in the background, she is definitely had it. We're gonna relax for the evening, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and have a good rest of the day, night, or week, or whatever it is for you. Okay, bye.